Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to create a Coinbase account. Alright, so for those of you who have been wondering how to create a Coinbase account and wondering how to go about it, this video is for you. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is download and install the Coinbase app. So Coinbase has an app on the Play Store or the App Store, and the first thing you got to do is download that. So first go to the Play Store or the App Store. That's for the iOS or for the Android devices, and then search Coinbase and select the app from the search results. Tap get or install to download the app, and once the app is downloaded, go ahead and install it. And of course you got to open it up. Let's get started straight to the signing up for the Coinbase account. Now the first thing you need to do is, after you open the Coinbase app, is to tap get started. Then you got to enter your first and last name, your email address, and of course create a password. Now once you confirm the password and agree to the service and privacy policies, then you tap create account. Once that is done, the account is created and you can get started. And of course you got to verify your email address. So Coinbase is going to send you a verification email to your email address. Go ahead and open that email up and click the verification link, and once you're done, the next step to do is to add a phone number. So you got to enter your phone number and tap next. Then Coinbase will send a notification code to your phone number to verify it, and once that is done, you've confirmed it. The next step would be setting up a two-factor authentication. Now this is for security purposes. You don't have to do it immediately, but it's something I'd recommend you doing. So the first thing you need to do is tap set up a two-factor authentication, and then choose an authentication method. So you can use Google authentication, or you can use an SMS to verify. So once that is done, you set up the two-factor authentication. Now this is very useful. I recommend that you do not skip this step. Go ahead and complete that. Then you need to verify your identity, and the way to do that is first to tap verify identity and follow the prompts to provide the required information and documentation. So that could be driver's license or whatever. Of course you also got to take a selfie to verify your identity. Once you don't take time in this step, don't skip it. These are important details, so make sure you sort those out meticulously. And once you're done, you are ready to use Coinbase. So you can now buy and sell cryptocurrencies, add funds, transfer funds, transfer cryptocurrencies, and all that. There's a lot more to do on the app, so you can also explore the app and learn more about its features, its settings. I'll leave it to you guys to figure out the magic that hidden in the app. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, if you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends or anyone else who also might need this information. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please do not forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos, because we're going to be updating a lot more videos on Coinbase and all sorts of things you got to find out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video for now, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.